Today I am going to make a very easy dish, peas. Those green peas with tomatoes. When your oil is hot, and first thing you add is ginger. Got the fragrance out. Fry the ginger in the vegetable oil. I put chopped tomatoes. It's about 2 Roman tomatoes. This time add some cooking oil. Chinese wine, yeah. Half pound ground pork. On a high heat. Mix the ground pork with tomato. When the pork turning the color, add some soy sauce to the pork. I use aged soy sauce, not just any soy sauce. This aged soy sauce tastes a little bit sweeter. Maybe I can make a video about just soy sauce. There's so many different kinds of soy sauce. You might be a little confused. Now it's the time to add your green peas. A bag, 12 ounces, you can buy from the store. I just can't find any fresh peas in Minnesota unless you grow some in your backyard, my backyard. Or let me know where I can find fresh peas, maybe at a farmer's market somewhere. Fresh peas really make a big difference. Now that's almost ready. Cook very quickly, a few minutes. Then we dust with some sea salt, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. Now it's time to serve on the plate to your kids or your family. Look at the juice in the peas, oh, so tasty. Look at that. If you like this recipe, please let me know and like this video. Also follow my Cooking Bomb channel and you can see more delicious videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.